Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be painting on bookmarks and we have 3 beautiful watercolor papers ready to be painted on. So let's get started. For the first one, I'm first doing a light wash of water so that I can spread the paint nicely. I am attempting a wet on wet technique here. While the first layer of water is still wet, I am adding little shades of blue so that I can create a nice base color. Notice how this paper is bubbling up and creating these little dots. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. I don't think it's a very good quality watercolor paper. So pro tip, use a better paper than me. If you've still not figured out what I am painting the Northern Lights. I've wanted to paint this from a long time and today's the day. And the reason I wanted to paint bookmarks is I love reading and naturally I use some bookmarks, but I wanted to use something that is custom and beautifully made by my half-baked painting skills and not just the one that I got for free when I bought the books. And I think I'll actually use the ones that I'm painting today. So now I'm adding shades of green in the middle once the blue layer is dry, and later adding some yellows to brighten up the whole thing. Now that all the layers are dry, I am adding a dark blue color and I am diluting it with a lot of water so that it can spread naturally and create this beautiful galaxy sort of effect. And now for the most fun part of this painting, to add little stars using this white paint and flicking it all over the place. And I had to clean all the things that was covered in paint after this, but it was really fun. Now you might have noticed I've left a little place at the bottom of the bookmark. Now it's time to paint some trees there. I want the trees to be really simple so that the main star of the show is this beautiful sky. You can see a close-up of how this painting turned out at the end of the video, so let's move on to the next bookmark. For this next one, I am putting the layer of water again. Maybe I shouldn't have seen how the paper reacted to water the last time, but oh well. And all of them will be a mix of reds, browns, yellows and all these beautiful autumn colors. So first I am defining the outline of the leaves with this beautiful terracotta color, and then I will paint the whole leaf with a mixture of yellows and reds. So while the first layer of the first leaf gets dry, I will outline all the other leaves as well similarly, and you can notice I have not used the same color for all of them. It's a mixture of all of those colors. Once I'm happy with the layering of the different colors, I will be adding veins to all the leaves and defining the shape even more. I just love doing such detailed work and adding more little details which probably won't do much of a difference, but still I love doing it. I initially didn't want to add any harsh outlines, but I don't think it looks clean that way, so I'm adding outline with a fine liner pen so it looks more neat and clean. And let's move on to the next bookmark. I am doing a really simple design for the last one. I just want to draw some trees and branches and add pretty little flowers and make it look real cute. I am carefully drawing thin and beautiful branches for this tree. As you can see, the flowers I'm drawing are really simple, not realistic, and I'm using multiple shades of reds, pinks and oranges. It was a really relaxing process of creating all these pretty little flowers. Now let's see how all three of these bookmarks turned out. I think this Northern Lights bookmark looks really pretty even though I struggled with the paper while painting this one. And the Autumn Leaves bookmark, I think the paint job is a bit sloppy in some places, but I think overall it looks good. And here is the last one. I really enjoyed painting this one, but overall it's not really great compared to the other ones I feel. I really enjoyed painting all of these. Hope this video inspires you to paint a bookmark of your own. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.